Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce you this here, this special Planger Wolf Stamp Cap set. It's a pack out of 8 stamp caps or wolf caps. These are a tire marker for a car wolf. The tire marker car instead of tire chalk, because all day long in the past we are marking our tires by chalk, of course. That's not so cool because it is written on the rims itself or on the rubber area, and that looks not so cool. But this here looks really cool. Stainless rim markers. They are universal, suitable for all vehicles thanks to the standard thread for all cars, wolves, and motorcycles. For winter wheels and summer wheels. Why? Because we have a set out of 8, a pack out of 8 of them. No rusting. Some metal wheel wolf caps can rust. Not this here. The caps are out of ABS material, perfect for changing our tires from winter to summer, from summer to winter, and so on. And they comes not only to seal the wolf top, these are car tire markings, because the tire marking makes it easy attract the symbols without risk of confusion. That's perfect for changing the wheels. That means if you see the front axle left, it is marked. Front axle right, it can be marked. Rear axle left, it can be marked. And the right side can be marked too. And we have a protective function, because the summer tires and the winter tires are safe. No pressure loss, dirt and frost resistant. Because in the capsule itself, there are built in a rubber ring or a rubber O-ring, which makes it sealed for a lot of time. That's cool. That is the Wolf Stamp Cap pack out of 8 of them. And you can see they were really easy to use. You remove the old or the stock caps from your tires, from your stamp, get them out of there, and you replace them with the new Wolf Stamp Cap by Planger. We have here a pack out of 8 premium wolf caps, which can make our life easier. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.